Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a HTML page by using header, paragraph and horizontal line tag. Before that, I want to give you a little bit knowledge regarding HTML. As here you can see, HTML basic structure is being written. At the top, we have to write a syntax called as doctype HTML. After that, we have to write a HTML tag. In HTML tag, it have head tag and body tag. In head tag, we have to write title which contain document. In body, for now, we will write header, horizontal line and paragraph tag. So now you have a little bit knowledge about HTML. Now let's move forward with the goal and create our HTML page. Today's goal is to create this kind of HTML page. To create this kind of HTML page, we have to use header, paragraph and horizontal line tag. As you can see, the best technology according to eDigital Studio is the main heading. To create this kind of heading, we have to use h1 tag. In index.html, I would write h1, enter, and in the opening and closing tag, I would write the content. As I have written the content in the solution HTML, I would just copy this and paste in index.html. Now we can run this and check whether the heading is looking same as the goal PNG. As you can see, the header is looking same as the goal PNG. Now after that, we have to create the subheading. To create subheading, we would use h2 tag. Same h2, enter. Between the h2 and h2 opening and closing tag, we have to write the content. Here you can see the subheading is looking same as the goal PNG. After that, we have to create a horizontal line. To create horizontal line, we have to use HR tag. In index.html, after h2 tag, we have to write HR, enter, slash. Here you can see the line which is being created after the h2 tag. After that, we have to create the topics: augmented reality, virtual reality, AI, website development. This kind of topic we can create by using h3 tag. As you can see, the topics is being created same as the goal PNG. After that, we have to create paragraph of each topic. To create paragraph, we have to use paragraph tag. Each paragraph can be created after each topic. So after augmented reality and virtual reality tag, h3 tag, we can write paragraph tag by clicking P, enter, and write the content. As you can see, we have achieved the index.html page same as the old PNG by using header tag, horizontal line tag and paragraph tag. To continue watch this kind of video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.